Ndewo, aha m bụ Ijeoma Kubue, onye na-ewetara gị nkụzi Igbo. Taa anyị ga-eme family member names, okay? So anyị ga-ebido with nna. Nna means father. Father. Nna m bụ Obinna. My father is Obinna. Nna m bụ Obinna. The word for dad is mpa. So nna was father, mpa dad. Dad. Daalụ mpa. Thank you, dad. Daalụ mpa. Thank you, dad. So what's for father? Nna, or you could say dad, mpa. For mom, nne. Nne is mother. Nne is mother. Nne m bụ Ada. My mom is Ada. Nne m bụ Ada. To say mom, mma. So nne was mother. Mma, mom. Mma, mom. Daalụ mma. Thank you, mom. Daalụ mma. Thank you, mom. Nwanne. Nwanne is sibling, whether brother or sister. So literally means the child of my mother, because nwa means child. Nwa means child. Nne means mother. So the child of my mother, which is my brother or sister. Nwanne m bụ Ikenna. So this is my sibling is Ikenna. My sibling is Ikenna. Okay. And in this case, it's a brother, because Ikenna is usually a boy's name. So nwanne m bụ Ikenna. Ụmụnne. Ụmụnne is siblings. So says all of them, whether how many brothers or how many sisters you have, all of them together. Ụmụnne. So more than one. Ụmụnne. Ụmụnne m dị abụọ. My siblings are two. So basically saying I have two siblings. Ụmụnne m dị abụọ. Ụmụnne m dị abụọ. To say grandpa, we combine the word dad and big. Say big dad. Mpanuku. Mpanuku. Grandpa. If you want to say grandma, it will be the same. Okay. So but this time is Mpanuku. Big dad. Mpanuku bi na Owerri. My granddad lives in Owerri. Mpanuku bi na Owerri. Big lives. Mpanuku bi na Owerri. My granddad lives in Owerri. Mmanuku, grandma. So we're combining the word for mom and the word for big, nuku. Mmanuku, grandma. Mmanuku m gara ọmụgwọ. My grandma went for ọmụgwọ. Mmanuku m gara ọmụgwọ. My grandma went for ọmụgwọ. Ọmụgwọ is an Igbo tradition where when a woman delivers a baby, her mom comes over to help. So grandma gara ọmụgwọ. Mmanuku m gara ọmụgwọ. Dede. In some Igbo towns, it's not everywhere. You find this common in Abia and Imo State. We have a name for big brothers and big sisters, like a title, if you will. Dede. Dede is big brother. So if your big brother's name is Ikenna, you would call him Dede Ikenna. Dede Ikenna. Dede m nọ n'ụlọ. My dede is at home. So my big brother is at home. Dede m nọ n'ụlọ. Dada is for big sister. Dada. So if your dada is a Nneka, your big sister, it will be Dada Nneka. Dada Nneka. Dada m anọghị n'ụlọ. My big sister is not at home. Dada m anọghị n'ụlọ. Anọghị. Now we're talking in the negative. Dada m anọghị. Anọghị n'ụlọ. Okay. My big sister is not at home. We have a word for first daughters. Adanne or Ada. So if Nneka is the first daughter, she will also be called Ada or Adanne as a title. Adanne, Ada. Ngozi bụ Ada name. So in this sentence, it says Ngozi is my first born sister, basically, because Adanne is like the first daughter of my mom. So if I say you are my Adanne, I'm saying you are the first daughter of my mother. Ngozi bụ Adanne. Ngozi is the first daughter of my mother. Ngozi bụ Adanne. Diokpara is for first brothers. So first son is called Diokpara. Diokpara. So my brother that is the first boy would be Diokpara. Diokpara. Okechukwu bụ diokpara. Okechukwu is the firstborn son. Okay, or the biggest brother. Okechukwu bụ diokpara, the firstborn son. Di is the word for husband. Di. Dim, my husband. Di, husband. Dim, my husband. Dim gara ọrụ. My husband went to work. Nwunye, word for wife. Nwunye. Nwunye m gara ahịa. My wife went to the market. Nwunye, wife. Nwunye. Ọgọ. Ọgọ, in-law. So this is in-laws in general, whether female or male. Just in-law. Ọgọ. Ọgọ. Okay. Ọgọ m na-abịa echi. Ọgọ m na-abịa echi. So my in-law is coming tomorrow. Ọgọ m na-abịa echi. My in-law is coming tomorrow. Okay. Nwanna is something you will hear. So these are people in your kindred, in your father's side, yeah, kindred. Nwanna. So note it's not nwanne. Nwanne is my sister or brother. Nwanna are people like in my village that are related to my father. Okay. So we're super extended family members. Okay. Nwanna. And Uche bụ nwannam. So it means Uche is in my extended family. Uche bụ nwannam. Umunna is plural, so more than one person. Umunna. Umunna. Okay, when you're doing things like traditional wedding, the umunna, they're all involved. You see the people are coming to marry the lady and all that. Umunna na-eme nzukọ. Nzukọ bụ meeting. Umunna na-eme nzukọ. So the people in my umunna are having a meeting is basically what it's saying. So umunna literally says my extended family, they're doing a meeting. Okay. Umunna na-eme nzukọ. Umunna na-eme nzukọ. So imela, daalụ rinne for being part of this. Daalụ. So when you go, because use what you have learned. You've learned nne, nna, mmanukwu, mpannukwu, ọgọ, di, nwunye, nwanne. Okay, use what you learn. That's how you learn more, by speaking. Daalụ. Okay. I'm putting together a crash course this October. If you're interested, there is a link below the video to find out more. So it's going to be for 4 weeks, super intensive. If you committed, you're short on time, you have 4 weeks to commit and put into learning Igbo, to learn, maybe to brush up on what you know, or you're a beginner, you just want to learn as much as you can in 4 weeks to help you further in your learning in future. Then check out the link below to learn more about the crash course. Enola Dalo o Kode Nasukebo.